Okay, hey, let's talk TMJ, temporomandibular joint. A lot of people have problems with temporomandibular joint, and I'm going to show you today a really cool way of working with that on your own. Now, my dentist the other day said, "Hey Tilman, do you know a way to treat TMJ?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." And she asked, "Do you go into the mouth?" And no, nothing like that. No, I use one of these. So this is a massager, and I'm going to show you how to use that. Okay, wonderful. All right, so here you go. You get one of those massagers. You can get them online, or you can go to a drugstore. They're usually around anywhere between 60 and 80 bucks. I like the long-handled one because you can use it on your shoulder, but you can also use it on your arm like this and diffuse the vibration through your fingers or the hand. So TMJ, let's take a look at it. You put your hand around the back of your ear. That's where the joint is. Open and close your mouth, and you can feel it. Yeah, right there. Okay, a lot of people have joint pain there. They also crack when they eat, whatever. Anyways, this machine here, you push down, and it's going now. See? All right, put your hand behind your ear, put the machine on your hand, and you'll feel the vibration going through the jaw. Okay, now it'll vibrate everything, and that's why you don't have to go into the mouth to work the smaller muscles in the mouth. No, not necessary. You can go underneath the jaw here like this, or in through the actual muscles of mastication, or above the ear, temporal muscle. Oh, heaven. Anyways, get one of these, use it on your shoulder, use it on your jaw, not a problem. Now, if it's too much, if the vibration is too much for your hand, use a towel over the actual machine and then use it. Okay, not a problem. All right, so you can even put the machine then on your forearm, and then it'll vibrate through your fingers to the bridge of your nose, the sinuses. Oh. Not enough? You can go right up on the hand. Very cool. Anyways, now you have this machine here, you can use that, okay, whenever you want. You don't have to make an appointment for a therapist and go in there and spend all your money. Whenever you want, it's available. Okay, so enough of the TMJ stuff. Okay, good luck with that. Bye for now.